Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco, DevOps solutions and practices using Cisco platforms. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on DevOps solutions and practices is: can you discuss the role of microservices architecture in DevOps practices with Cisco platforms? Your answer should be: microservices architecture enables modular, scalable application development, deployment, and management. With Cisco platforms, microservices can be deployed and managed using solutions like Cisco Container Platform and Cisco Cloud Center for improved agility and resource utilization. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure disaster recovery and business continuity in a DevOps environment using Cisco platforms? Your answer should be: disaster recovery and business continuity are ensured by implementing backup and recovery mechanisms, redundancy, and failover strategies. Cisco platforms offer solutions like Cisco HyperFlex for resilient application deployments and Cisco SD-WAN for ensuring network continuity. Our next interview question is: what role does self-service provisioning play in DevOps practices with Cisco platforms, and how do you implement it? Your answer should be: self-service provisioning empowers teams to provision and manage resources independently, reducing bottlenecks and improving agility. Cisco platforms offer self-service provisioning capabilities through tools like Cisco Cloud Center and Cisco DNA Center, enabling teams to request and manage resources via a user-friendly interface. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure version control and change management of infrastructure configurations in a multi-team DevOps environment using Cisco platforms? Your answer should be: version control and change management are ensured by implementing version control systems, for example, Git, for infrastructure configurations, defining clear change management processes, and enforcing access controls. Cisco platforms offer integration with version control systems and tools like Cisco NSO for managing multi-team changes. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the role of continuous compliance monitoring in DevOps practices with Cisco platforms? Your answer should be: continuous compliance monitoring involves automating compliance checks throughout the development lifecycle, ensuring adherence to security policies and regulatory requirements. Cisco platforms offer solutions like Cisco SecureX for continuous compliance monitoring and enforcement. Our next interview question is: how do you approach automated testing for network infrastructure changes in a DevOps pipeline using Cisco platforms? Your answer should be: Automated testing for network infrastructure changes involves tools like Ansible for configuration validation and Cisco VIRL for network simulation. These tools help validate changes in a controlled environment before deployment. If you are preparing for any Cisco-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.